Today I'm going to be watching more from Dumpert. I have loved watching these videos recently, very funny and unique insight into Dutch culture and the country of the Netherlands. Today we're going to be looking at the handymen, and yeah, being from the UK, we have handymen who have a very unique culture. There's always funny videos of the way people act at these sort of jobs and that sort of thing. I enjoy watching them, so it'll be nice to see the Dutch handymen and yeah, see some funny, interesting videos as always. Tell me what you think about these. Recommend more videos from Dumpert or any other funny video compilations or anything, giving an insight into life in the Netherlands. Let's watch.
Dit is een wakkerstamper en als je met wil werk, dan heb je een klein beetje gas. Je doet hem even zo. En dan trek je aan dit touwtje, of je doet eerst dat knopje indrukken door. En dan trek je aan het touwtje. En dan lopen. En als je dan zo ver bent en je loopt, dan kun je weer gas geven. En dan ga je een stap. Hij doet zo een stap. En dan doe je zo met die door werk. Lekker stap. En als je dan helemaal klaar bent met stap, dan gooi je mooi op je aan.
The introductions for Dumpert videos are always so good. I actually, obviously I don't speak Dutch, so I didn't know what he was talking about. I just thought he was very enthusiastic about his work and his equipment. Then he rides it like a horse. Brilliant. Tell me what he was actually saying. Men versus women, the difference in mentality. That was, yeah, that kind of encapsulates a lot about the stereotype, the way of working. Oh my god. What even happened there, man? He's going to be smelling bad for the next week. Yes, man. That's one way to enjoy your work as well. Get some hard style. So that is definitely a part of culture of construction workers and things like that in the UK, where you get the apprentice and they always prank them, do funny stuff to them. So I'm guessing that's another example of it. Is that something that goes on in the Netherlands as well? Do you get the apprentice and take the piss out of them? Have you been that apprentice? Have you been the other person that is pulling the pranks? Tell me more about that. Wow.
Yeah.
I feel like that's something that most people has probably wanted to try when you're growing up. You walk by this sort of thing. I'm sure everybody's thought about that at least once. I would love to slide down there. Maybe not land in this, but maybe in some cushions. To see, I don't think I've ever seen anybody actually do that, so that's a first. Fair play. So much time on their hands that they've got time to construct. Again, that's another example of that Dutch ingenious engineering. Well done. Got the Heineken there. Yes. Whoa, it's a strong table. Great impression. Some of these guys really enjoying their day at work.
Vakmanschap. Keurig. En deze dan? Die wil ook. Die wil ook.
What has happened there? How is that possible? Well, hear more of their cheering. That definitely seemed like they were going to be cheering quite loudly there. How many ways can you open a bottle, man? These guys are, again, very inventive.
Dat er een belletje zit, betekent dat hij niet helemaal vol zit, hè?
Dingen lopen af en toe leeg. Wordt dan minder? Ik denk dat je er nog iets bij moet doen.
Tell me what he said there. He definitely looked like an apprentice. There's always got to be one involving water in the Netherlands.
En gaat het maken.
Although that wasn't a canal. Oh. So much fun being a handyman in Netherlands. Whoa.
Lekker gewicht, pik.
Theo, wat heb ik gezegd over die telefoon op de blok?
Godverdamme felle dikke tyfusleier en rondloop! Dit is je kale vlekken!
Jesus. Look at that, man. Come on. This is like, these videos are definitely reminding me of British videos of a similar nature, man. Definitely in this respect, Britain and Netherlands share a lot of similarities in culture.
Ja, nee, moet je vinger niet tegenhouden, moet dan rustig wat inschrijven.
Ja, maar dan gaat het er niet, zo gaat het erin.
Nee, kijk, een klein sleufje rond dat gat, daar gaat dat water in dat watertas.
Ah, wel, ja, maar dan moet ik dat hier toch tegen.
Nee, ja, want dat mag niet te veel. Dan moet ze eigenlijk wat neervullen. Je doet dat goed in de waterpas vullen, maar god. Echt wel.
They say they got like fill the air bubble or something in
Duurt wel lang,
the
hè?
Duurt wel lang, hè?
anything.
Kop, klappen. Ja, hop. Allemaal klappen. Joehoe.
Oh my god. There were so many ways that could have went wrong, man. I feel like his legs probably got a little bit hurt there. I just realised what's going on, man. Cutting a baguette with that saw. Man, this guy's done this before. That's a pro.
Hè? Nee, nog niet, nog niet.
So accurate. Fair play.
Surround sound. Hoppa.
Is that the right way to do that? I don't know if that was the correct technique or not. Like, it looked like it probably was one of the only ways, unless you get one of these pneumatic drills to break into there, but it seems quite annoying to the neighbourhood. Let's see what's going on here, man. Uh-oh.
Get up! Close your eyes! Close your eyes!
Oh my god.
Hou je duim erop, man.
Oh, that sound like a coconut being cracked. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Using a champagne bucket, man, as protection. I feel like this is maybe why some construction workers get a bad reputation for taking too long on their job or not finishing on time. Coming up with all these inventive ways to, yeah, spend their time. I mean, I appreciate it. I've not had to add any bad experiences myself, so I'm happy my god. It's a next level prank, that one.
Ook blij dat hij weinig verstand heeft. Goedemorgen.
Ja? Indrukken en rollen. Ja, indrukken en rollen, ja. Een beetje harder. Ah, wel een beetje serieus hoor, hè? Ah, oké. Zal ik eerst de generator in aanzetten? Ja, dat zou fijn zijn.
Ja. Ja, succes.
Weet ik niet. Zit er niks in? Je moet dichterbij, dichterbij.
Guess that's another apprentice being initiated with some pranks. Excellent again, man. These videos are just so good. Like, great collection of videos that, yeah, just definitely give me that deeper insight into the Netherlands that I can't see anywhere else, I guess. But tell me what you think about these ones. Have you been in that situation? Have you been a handyman, construction worker? What's the craziest thing you've seen or done? Thanks.